Learn how to make AI-generated pictures talk. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you the simple steps to animate any image and bring it to life using AI. Let's get started.
Open any browser and search for render.com, like this. After that, you should create an account to get started with creating AI talking avatars. Once you have created an account, you will see an interface like this. To get started, you should click on this Create. And you will come to an interface like this. And from here, you can generate the audio by using the text-to-speech option or by uploading your own audio clip or song. Yes, of course, we can make our AI avatar sing too. And from here, you can upload your AI image or image of yourself to generate the talking or singing AI avatar. So I will select an AI image, which I have generated by myself like this. And to here I will provide my script like this, and I will select a voiceover too. And to generate our video, you should click on this Generate Video button, and it will take some time to generate the video. And once the video have generated, you can see a preview of it, and you download it. Let's have a preview. Note, some images not work properly like this. So I will try with another image. From here, you can have a preview or you can download it. Here is the final output.
Learn how to make AI-generated pictures talk. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you the simple steps to animate any image and bring it to life using AI. Let's get started.
From this result, we can see how realistic the video was and her facial expressions. So now let's see how we make this AI avatar sing. If you want, you can change the image like this, but I am not going to use this image. I will change the image later. To get started, go to this Import Audio tab and upload your song like this. Once you have imported the audio, you can trim it as you required. After that, click on Generate, and it will take some time to generate the video. From here, you can have a preview or you can download it. Here is the final output.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk?
So, like that way, you can make your AI avatar talk or sing for free by following this tutorial. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Good luck.